Who makes you cry the most? That honest? That honest?
Yeah.
My God, did I say love ball? Eh? So alright, so look how me look for
What's up, guys?
Yep. Don't know say it's your boy.
Back.
Yeah guys, you know say it's your boy Nathan.
And your girl CECE right here, so from here the bag of excitement I know see me.
Yeah people, so you don't know the challenge already, so you see what we're gonna do in our title already. Everybody don't know. So we're gonna do today we're gonna do the boyfriend versus ex-boyfriend challenge. You see me people want to like,
share,
comment
and subscribe.
Yeah people want to
Smash
turn
that
on the notification bell.
Yeah.
So please, you see me?
So
if you subscribe and you never turn on the bell, go back and turn on the bell again and put it on all guys, you see me?
And for all our new subscribers them, welcome and thanks for supporting.
Yeah, and thanks to all who did their support you everything.
Don't forget to comment down below.
Yeah guys. So we are gonna get into the video right now. Guys, remember to watch your ads them, you see me?
Yeah.
Watch your ads them, feel me? Yeah.
And guys, feel make sure say you enjoy the video.
Yeah people, the video go nice, we feel so. And you have to be honest. You have to be honest.
Yeah.
You see me? She have to be honest, people.
You gotta be honest.
You should not be honest, you see me? You have to be honest. So, guys, we're gonna get straight into the video right now. So just remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell and watch the ads them for you, see me?
Guys, and subscribe to the link them down in the description for please.
Yeah guys, go over there and subscribe to CC channel, guys.
Yeah.
You see me bring it got 2K here now. I'm gonna bring it got 1K. Thank you so much for that. 1K. Yeah people, so right now me asking if we bring it got to 2K here.
Yeah guys.
Yeah. So
and soon guys, don't forget that soon we will be having a giveaway.
Yeah people.
And
so no worry yourself.
We are thinking about the merch them too, so we make on know. You see me?
Yeah people, so I'm wanting to go over to OJ Vlog TV guys, you see me? And subscribe to it. Just go over there, go support the channel, you see me guys. Please go over there, go subscribe, much I add in my YouTube, you see me? Go over there, subscribe to the channel. We are gonna get straight into the video right now guys. So we have about 15 questions right here, so if you see. I'm
gonna be honest.
Yeah, you have to be honest.
Yeah, ready.
So the first question is, who do you love more? You have to be honest. Honest.
Who me love more?
Yeah. So you take so long?
Nobody can take my yes.
Because me wonder how she takes so long.
Easy.
Alright. Next question is, people, who treats you the best? God do?
Yeah. Boy, this is good enough.
Alright. Next question now. Who does your parents love more?
Me have to give me impact for now.
Next question now. Who is better in bed? What you do? That is honest opinion, Kalisha?
Yeah.
Honest B?
Yes.
I'm not do a video with you.
You not do it with me?
Alright, I'm not saying nothing on video still. So, people, alright. Next question. Who is more romantic? Who loves you more?
I just the truth.
Who gives you the better advice?
I mean, I be honest. Can you tell me, guys?
Alright, come.
Though as if you just start nothing, so if you be honest, I mean, I be honest.
Alright. Next question. Who is the better kisser? So why you drink out of it?
I don't drink out of it. I didn't know.
No, alright. Go on again. Who is the better kisser? I never had that look.
Someone forgot again, Nathan?
Yeah. Go on, alright. Me anyways, me I go watch the video. Me I go see. Next question. Who is more grumpy? Next question. Who buys you the most things? Who is more jealous? Alright, next question. Who makes you cry the most? That honest? That honest?
Yeah.
My God, did I say love ball? Eh? So alright, so look how much time you bought from me. How much time?
About much time?
Hundreds.
No hundreds. 1,000 times me ball.
And alright. Next question, people.
My ex make me ball million pound trillion times.
Who makes you feel happy the most?
Ask you.
Yo, I should leave out. Do the video with you because you style me now. You.
Come on, be honest. So, of course, me be honest. Let me not gonna lie.
Lie answer my question.
I don't lie.
Next question. Who hurts you the most? Who hurt you the most? You think you're dancing? Stop around with me, eh? You know what I say to you? You see, she not be honest, you know. She a tell be a lie. But no worry yourself. Do not worry yourself.
Me not tell no lie. Me be honest. Me a talk the truth.
Alright, if you say so. Last question. Who would you like to be your husband? You know,
ever let him go, mine, no. get juice in it. They choke me.
Kadisha, you're honest?
Eh?
Not honest, B?
Yeah. So why me I gonna lie?
So we are do where me and you do together then?
But just I don't look for something.
Oh.
You know we do it for money.
Don't worry yourself.
When time we get a little bit bigger we can part. You understand me I say?
Don't say nothing to me. You can part now.
You want that now?
Yo, me not even have to do nothing to finish no video, man.
We are tear it off for you, me maybe.
Yo, me not in nothing. Kalisha. You,
B, come
in
here.
the video by yourself. Done. Stop.
I
Me
love
don't
my
wanna kiss.
baby.
Me don't wanna kiss your ex-man. Treat you better.
I love my baby. You know I'm love him.
So
you,
you
baby.
tell life for it. You didn't be honest.
You know say, are you me have to be my husband?
Me say, no, so I'm serious like this then.
You just watch a video. Just watch a video, baby.
Cause you should tour up with me, eh?
I'm play with me, just play with you.
Alright.
So guys, we actually reached the end of the video. Don't forget to like,
Comment.
share, comment, and subscribe. You see me? Hit that notification bell.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yesterday she sick.
Smash that bell. Don't forget to comment down below.
Yeah.
Guys, please remember for watch all the ad for please me I beg on you guys, do me I beg on me. You see me? Me really have people there.
Yeah, people just continue to support the thing. We want to say yo, thanks to everybody.
We really
support it.
Yeah, we really
thanks
appreciate
Father God,
each and every
the
support.
King and Shane, Mr. Knight, everybody
Yeah.
will support you and put you so over there. You see me?
Because we never there for there so.
Yeah, and guys,
yeah.
we just have to continue work. You see me?
Yeah. We're not letting it down, guys, so we just go on.
Yeah, people. So until the next video, you see me, guys. Stay tuned.